everybody, welcome to a new episode of Make It New with Walmart. I am Bianca and today we will be making this really cute love sign using upcycled chocolate boxes and apple barrel paint. Let's get started. The supplies that you'll need to create this project at home are an assortment of apple barrel paint, a staple gun, a hot glue gun, a heart-shaped Valentine chocolate box, stencil paper, scissors, painter's tape, paintbrushes, an X-Acto knife, twine, and a wooden surface. The first step for this project is to base coat your wooden surface in your choice of apple barrel paint. I'll be using fuchsia and snow white. Once I base coat my wooden surface with my fuchsia color, I'm going to go back over it with my white color to give it a weathered look. The next step for this project is to take 1/2 of your heart-shaped candy box and base coat it in your choice of apple barrel paint. I'll be using Cameo Pink. Next, we'll be using stencil paper to draw and cut out the letters that we'll be painting onto the front of our heart-shaped chocolate boxes. Once you've drawn out your letters, use an X-Acto knife to cut them out. Now that my stencil shape is cut out, I'm going to use painter's tape to hold it down while I paint on my letter. Once you're done painting your stenciled letter, it should look something like this. Once you're done with your first box, repeat this step 3 more times with your remaining 3 stenciled letters. The next step for this project is to use hot glue to assemble all of your heart-shaped boxes together. I've already gone ahead and done these 3. Let's do the last one together. After you've assembled all of your boxes together, grab your wooden surface and flip it over. Then grab some twine and a staple gun and use it to attach your string to the back of your surface. The last step for this project is to attach all of your heart boxes to the front of your wooden surface using hot glue. And that is how you create our Love Valentine sign. For more project ideas and inspiration, visit plaidonline.com.